you are probably, you are probably aware of what copy trading is, but not copy investing. So, what does copy investing looks like? Right? I'm an investor. I expose you to what I'm doing, what I'm buying, what I want to buy, what I have. All right. Then you're able to copy that. All right. So when my portfolio rise in value, the value of your portfolio also rise equally. All right. That is copy investing. I don't know if there are platforms today that offer such service. If you know any platform that offers such service, please let me know in the comment box. Okay. I would like to learn from you. It's not about you learning from me. Teach me stuffs, teach me things, teach me about crypto, about blockchain, about Web3, about DeFi, NFT, just anything in the comment box. Okay, I want to appreciate that. Okay, I'm gonna pick up from there and do some research and to really substantiate what you share with me. Okay, just like I always encourage you, whatever you see anywhere, whatever you learn anywhere, do extra research on that. Don't just be that guy that does things blindly. Now, going back to our conversation, which is what we're going to be talking about today. This is day 17. Is that correct? What day is it? Okay, this is day 18 of the crypto content creation challenge. Okay, which is a personal challenge that was created for myself. All right. I like promise you guys, I was going to be teaching you stuff about crypto, about Web3, about blockchain for 30 days non-stop. All right. So if you've been watching this channel, you've been subscribed to this channel, you've been, being a fan of this channel, please clap for me. This is the 18th day, man. It's not easy, man. Honestly. All right, 18th day. So, yeah, let us now go into it. I'm going to show you a practical way of going about it. If you like to copy, VCs, VCs are called the venture capitalists in crypto. Okay, how do you mimic what the VCs are doing? How do you copy what VCs are doing in crypto space? All right. So there are tools on coinmarketcap.com that you're probably not aware of at the moment. Okay, there's a difference between looking and seeing. Somebody might be looking at something, but he's not seeing anything. All right. Somebody, a lot of people are always looking, but they are not seeing stuffs. Okay. So it is possible that somebody can be, might have been using CoinMarketCap, for a while, and that person is probably not aware of, ways to copy and mimic, the portfolio of venture capitalists. Now, I see many of you going to platforms like Facebook. I see this a lot on Facebook. I see also a lot on Telegram. In fact, I think today somebody asked about what he should buy today on Telegram, on Crypto Nation Telegram channel. And I was like, wow, really? All of these updates I've been sharing with you guys since all this why it doesn't really make much sense to you. Is that not correct? So what I'm saying in essence is that people ask question, please, what can I buy for the bull run? What can I buy for the next bull run? Next bull run. I believe that the previous video has addressed that question quite well. My friend, we are in a bull market. Okay. If you're asking questions like what can you buy for the bull run? It's as if you don't know that we're in a bull run already. It's as if you're ignorant of the bull market. Okay, that's how it looks to me. Bitcoin has reached 73,000, as you can see right here. Okay, and now it is back to 66,000. We're still in a bull market. It's not bearish yet. All right. So it's not bearish yet. Still pretty much in the bull market. If you had bought Bitcoin around 18,000, 20,000, you know that we are still in bull market. That's about 3x, times three of your, of your money, of your investment. So now, real quick, let's go to this. How do you mimic those guys? Come to category. This is where you have to go to. Under category, you see stuff. You see meme category. This is hot one right now. Solana ecosystem is really, really hot. Gaming is really, really hot category at the moment. And also AI is hot. Okay, hot. All right. So now these are the hot categories. Don't have any concern with these ones. Okay, it's only if you like to trade. Maybe you are kind of interested in in these categories. But we want to go to this, which is called categories, and begin to scroll down. Now you see ecosystem, okay, Tokfi, Launchpad, jobs. If you're looking for jobs in crypto space, this might actually be a place for you. A place for you. Transport industry, does chain ecosystem is this. You can see Trust Swap, Launchpad, the marketplace, pre-sale memes, okay, customs ecosystem. We are not here for all of this. Okay, these are categories like, okay, crypto is about narrative. I think I'm gonna be talking about narrative tomorrow in the crypto niche weekly hangout on Telegram. I'll be talking about narratives tomorrow, by God's grace. All right. But now we're not even talking about narratives. We're talking about what the big guys are doing in the crypto space. All right. You can see, look at this one. You have let me scroll a little bit more. You can see Circle Ventures portfolio. This is a VC, a venture capital named Circle Ventures, and this is a portfolio. Okay. If you click on this, it's going to reveal to you everything that these guys are investing into. Right? Everything they are investing into right now. Now, if you scroll down a little bit more, okay, a little bit more, you see Yen partnerships. You see that, okay. If you scroll, you can see asset management. That's a category, not a piece actually. If you scroll down a little bit more, you find them. You have let's take this out. Okay, just scroll a little bit more. You can see Parafy Capital. It's a capital on its own. All right. Which other one? Standard crypto portfolio. You can see that we have Three Arrows Capital portfolio. Three Arrows. They are one of the early investors in the collapsed Terra Luna ecosystem. Okay, so they are quite popular. So if you scroll a little bit, you see Animoca. Animoca invested early into play to earn games like Axie Infinity. They invested quite early. Okay, they invested quite early into Steppings. Okay, Steppings, which is zero to end or move to end. Yeah. So Animaka have a very good eyes, a very good research team that does crazy amount of research, and they usually get involved. They get so much so early into quite a lot of good projects. All right. You can see we have Polychain Capital portfolio is right there, staring at you. We have private portfolios there. All right. So you have which other one again? Okay, Winklevoss Capital Portfolio. These are the Winklevoss brothers, the Winklevoss twins. They are one of the earliest, adopters of cryptocurrency of Bitcoin. They have VBC Venture Portfolio is there. So you can literally copy Framework Venture Portfolio is there. You can literally copy all of these guys if you want, or any of these guys if you want. Now look at this. This is the top circle. Okay, this is top circle portfolio. You can see in terms of their market cap and everything. Okay, the volume, the volume of all of those things is down at the moment, and the market cap is down slightly. Now, these are the assets in their portfolio. You see that? Okay, they are holding Nia, they are holding Aptos, they are holding Maverick, Protocol, Maple, Multichain, EVMOS, yeah, Ratio Finance, Fiber Finance, Carasta, Zebek, they are holding all of these assets. Okay. However, you might not actually know the proportion. Okay, that's the biggest problem. Okay, you might not know the percentage they are holding of all of these things. All right, you might not know the percentage of what they are holding, among all of these things. But honestly, what you should know is that if you look at the market cap, okay, it should tell you something. So that is what you should learn about portfolio balancing. Maybe I'm going to make a video about that. Okay, how you can balance your portfolio, how you can build your portfolio, and also how you could rebalance your portfolio for maximum profits. All right. So you can check this one also. You have the top standard crypto portfolio. Okay, so these are what they have in the portfolio. You have Matic, Maker, Lido, AAV. They have the Z, which is Zcash, Yen Finance, Audio, Forwards, Instadap. These are basically what they have in their portfolio. Not too much. Now you can see that even these capital don't have so much project in their portfolio. But look at you. You are having 52 coins in your portfolio. You're having 30, 25. Come on, that's too much. How do you track them? Okay, that's gonna be no, that's just too much. It's gonna give you a lot of headache, really. All right, a lot of headache. So you can check Three Arrows. they're in Bitcoin and Ethereum, Avax, Polkadot, near Uniswap. Okay, Three Arrows is quite big, so it is understandable if they have this, if they have so much stuff in their portfolio. Three Arrows is very big, very very big. VC platform. It is a multi-billion dollar. They kind of manage multi-billion dollar asset in the crypto space. So if you like, and check Animoca. Animoca is a big guy also. Okay, and he's a big guy. They invest into almost anything that almost anything that Binance invests into. You find Animoca also right there, and they have very good eyes for investment. Okay, they also invested in Splinter Land, okay, Splinter Shards, Game GPT, GameFi.org. So basically, you might not want to buy what they have in your portfolio right now. Okay, you might not be interested in it. However, you can be keeping track of them. Keep track of them. Keep track of what they have right now, and whatever they had later. Okay, whatever they had later to their portfolio. Okay, you might want to do more research. That should give you an eight. You might want to do more research on that thing. Why is this VC now investing into this project? There could be something they are seeing which I'm not seeing. All right. Then that is where you now begin to do your research. Okay, do your research, you do your due diligence, um, then whatever the outcome is, if it makes sense to you, like something, you don't just buy because your VC is buying, really. Okay. Except just copy, blindly, which is not advisable. So if you really say, oh, why is Animoca buying this? Okay, you can also go ahead and add that to your portfolio. Just throw in a few bucks to it, and get that into your portfolio. Now you have an idea of how you can actually track and monitor some of these VCs. All right, and Animoca has really been profitable. Like there is no bull market they don't make money. All right, yeah, they've really been profitable. I don't know how they do it, but they have very solid researcher, in their team, and that allows them to really, cite project with a lot of potential. All right. So basically, have you learned anything today? If you've learned something in this video, please let me know in the comment box. Okay, that's how I can know that you've actually learned something from this. How do you track the basics? All right. And also, you can also like step up your game and go on Twitter to follow them. Okay, you can have a dedicated account on Twitter that only follows Animoca, follows Three Arrows Capitals, the Polychain, the Paradigm, the Top Standard, the Top Cycles. You might have an account that actually follows them on Twitter, so that most, when they buy, they always announce it. Okay, if tracking them here might actually be a very big work for you. All right, so you might track them on Twitter. When they buy something or they actually buy something, you are definitely going to know about it. Okay, it's one of the ways I found Ondo ONDO token. All right. Okay, that's how I found ONDO token. All right. So basically, that's it. Okay. Don't forget to subscribe. Turn on the notification bell. Like the video, share with your friends so that they can also learn from this, and also leave me a comment down below.